So this back page, this is all, the front page was independent. These are all dependent events. So they're going to depend on each other. Dependent. I think I'm spelling dependent wrong, you guys.
Dependent.
Looks right?
Somehow. That's what I always.
So there are 4 red, 6 green, and 5 yellow pencils in a jar. So total, how many pencils do we have?
15.
Good. 15 total. So 15 pencils. Once a pencil is selected, it is not replaced. So just like in real life, if you had a box of pencils, you took one out, there's going to be one less total in that box. Determine each probability. Okay, so the probability. Okay, number 7, let's get through this. The probability of picking a red pencil, then a yellow pencil. So let's look at red first. What's the probability out of all these 15 pencils? What's the probability you'll pick a red one? 4 out of 15. Okay, and then you pick a yellow pencil. So what's happened to your total number of pencils?
So it'd be 5
There's 11
14.
So we took one pencil out, so now there's 14 left. And then how many yellow pencils are still in the jar?
Did we get them
5. Yippers.
I always.
And that's it. So we need to multiply these two.
20 over, I don't know. It's a lot of work.
15 times 14, work it out.
I know 15 times 12.
Do not do it in your head.
A lot.
I can hear you. Stop.
It's
210.
That's what
Good.
I was about to say.
And we can kick off those zeros at the end. So 2 over 21, and that's as small as we can go.
That's really smart to do it that way.
Mm-hmm.
Never thought I'd just take it off.
Heck yeah.
That's how I learned. I've never
Can,
thought of that.
yeah, it saves a lot of time. Okay, then the next one, the probability of 2 green. So the first event, we've got 15 pencils again, so I'll put 15 on the bottom.
What?
Okay, so we're starting over.
Oh, okay.
So, okay, we're going to do this twice. So I'm going to grab in the pencil box. What's the probability that I'll pull out a green?
6 over 15.
Okay, so 6 over 15, because there's 15 pencils. There's probably...
Do you do it 14?
Good. So then the next time I do it, how many pencils are left in this box now?
5 over 14.
So there should be 14 pencils left in a box because I just took one out. There was 15. Now there's 14.
I don't like pretending.
So then how many green pencils are left if the first time I dug in there I pulled out a green one? 5.
I don't know.
I don't like
it.
I kind of get it.
30 over 210.
Good.
Kick off the zeros.
And then
3 over 21 can be
and then
simplified.
1 over 7.
Good. So 30 over 210, and we can simplify those. Kick off those zeros. That helps. And then we can reduce it down to 1/7. Okay? Okay, number 9. The probability of a green, then a yellow. So
It's going to be over 15.
the first one's going to be over 15. I'm starting over. I've got 15 pencils.
15.
I already finished that one.
Then work ahead silently, okay? So I've got 6 over 15 green starting out. I haven't taken anything out yet. So 6 over 15. Then I want to pull a yellow.
So
14.
So it's going to be over 14. I have one less pencil in that box. How many yellow pencils are
5.
still in there? 5. Multiply these
Just
together.
did this.
We did just do this.
1/7.
That makes it easy.
I love
So
when Max does that.
again, the same number. 30 over 210 reduces down to 1/7. Okay, then number 10, the probability of pulling a red pencil, then a green pencil.
It's 4 over 15.
Good, so I've got 15 total starting out, so that's going to be my bottom number. I started with 4 red, so 4 over 15. Then I go to pull a green pencil out. So
14.
good, 14 should be my bottom number.
6 over 14.
And I still have 6 green pencils.
30 over 210.
Are you colorblind?
24.
What's that, 30?
No, and what you guys can do also, we can cross simplify.
Oh, we've done that before.
So like 2 will go into both 4 and 14.
You get
So it'd be 2 and then 7.
7, and then 15 and 6, what's a greatest common factor?
3.
3. So 3 will go into 6 2 times, 3 will go into 15 5
I learned how to do
times.
that. I just never do it.
Yeah, it's
435.
Good. 4/35, that's way easier than the big numbers. Okay, so are y'all noticing what's happening? We're taking one away from the second round because we have one less. Don't.
I got 2 over 21 for that one.
Okay, last 2. We can get through this really quick. So the probability of a yellow, then a green. So we start out with 15 pencils. How many yellow pencils are in that box?
5.
5. So 5 over 15. Can I reduce that down?
Yeah. To 1/3.
Good. So 1/3. And then a green pencil. So my total now is 14 pencils in the box. And then how many green are still in there? 6.
You could do a little dash thing where you fix it.
Or I can reduce that one down, can't I?
Can't you reduce the...
2.
Yeah, the 3 and the 6 you could fit.
Yeah, it'd be,
3, 7.
it'd be 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Good.
What?
1 and 2?
What the heck?
No.
I thought it was 3. See, that's what I
The
thought.
6 and the 5.
Yeah, that's all that changes.
Everything else is the same.
Yes. Boo.
Hurting my head.
Okay, last one, the probability of 2 yellows. So in this case, not only the denominator, the total number is going to decrease, also our top, because we're trying to pull the same color. So the 2 yellow. So the first time we do it, we've got 15 pencils total. How many yellow?
5.
1/3.
5 over 15 or 1/3, good. Okay, then the second time we pull out of there. So we've got 1 less pencil because we pulled 1.
Or 14.
So 14, and then we've got 1 less yellow because we already took 1 out. So 4 over 14.
So
Good.
20 over 210.
It could be 2 7.
Good.
When this is on our test, I'm
2 over 21.
So 2 over 21 is what you should have gotten as your answer.
We have to do this summarize. We don't have a lot of time.
No, we don't have a lot of time.
Yeah, we have 2 minutes. We have a minute and a half.